Welcome back, boys and girls. We're on episode 4. So we are going to do some writing. I sent home some papers for the letter V and some words for like and on. And we already know those 2 words in our sight words. So I'm going to take our laptop right here. And I want you to first take out your reading paper. It says reading and it has V's and pictures on there. We're going to practice writing our uppercase V's, our capital V's, and our lowercase V's, our small V's. Okay? Make sure you have a pencil. Now, let's write our name on the very top. Voila. Okay. Now, on the first 2 rows, we are going to trace the capital V's and lowercase V's. You're going to see these little dotted lines. You're used to this, so we're going to trace them. Sorry about that. To make it look like our very own V's. There we go. There we are. Take your time. Take your time. All right, so let's see. How many capital V's did we do? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many lowercase V's did we do? 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, let's make this into a little addition math problem. I'll put my plus sign right here. There are 4 capital V's here, right? And there are 4 lowercase V's here. There's my equal sign. How many V's do we have all together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. So I'll make a snowman 8 today. So 4 plus 4 equals 8. See? We can make anything into a math problem. All right. Now let's go down to this square, this picture. It says we have to put a V in front of I and E to spell a word. Well, what does this picture look like? Does anyone know? Scream it out loud if you know. It's a vine. Vine. And vine starts with the letter V. So if you guys can take your pencils and make your own letter V. You can make a capital V or a lowercase V. All right, you guys are doing a great job. All right, now I want you to say the words with me that are in this group here. And try and listen and hear for the V sound. Here we go. I'm going to say it once and then you say it after me. Very, give, have, vest, hive, every. Did everybody hear the V in each sound when you said those words? Very, give, have, vest, hive, every. So now we're going to go and look for all the V's in those words and circle them. You do yours and I'll do mine and then we'll count them, okay? Okay, I found all my V's. I bet you everyone has already. So let's count together nice and loud how many V's we found. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's right. We circled 6 V's. Now we have V's here. Look, it's a vase. We made a vase yesterday. This is 5. Everybody say 5. And here's the vine again. Everybody say vine. All right, I want you to look in those words and find the V's and circle them. looks like there are 1, 2, 3 total V's in those words on the bottom. Alrighty. Now let's slide over here. I'm going to take this one down. And now we're going to get our word page. And we already know what this word is. Like and on. Like and on. So it's a little hard to see my letters for the words, but you can see yours at home. There is in dotted line the word like. Take your time, and I want you to trace, and then I want you to write the word like right next to it. Only one time. Ooh, oh, funky E there. So we have like. And like I said, we already know this word, like. And now, the next word that's dotted for us to trace is the word on. So trace the word on nice and easy. And then just make the word on one time by yourself. And do me a favor, have a space so they're not right next to each other. So you can actually see it's a separate word. Great job, guys. So now they want us to fill in the sentences using the words like or on to make sense. So let's look at number 1. And I'm going to read the sentence using both words, and then we'll decide which one makes sense. Here we go. I like my blue hat. Or I on my blue hat. So tell me, should it say, I like my blue hat, or I on my blue hat? Scream out the sentence. Yes, I like my blue hat. So now I want you to write the word like in that blue rectangle. Good job, guys. Now let's look at number 2. It says, my hat is like my head, or my hat is on my head. Which one do you think makes sense? Like my head or on my head? Scream out the word that you think is correct. On my head is the right answer. You're right. So write the word on in the orange rectangle. My hat is on my head. Okay, let's read the sentences together. Number 1 says, I like my blue hat. Sentence number 2, my hat is on my head. All right, boys and girls, another great job today. We have one more episode, and guess what it is? It's the volcano. I'll see you soon.